2021 just around the corner, and I already prepared for my 2021 bullet journal, but it's time to specifically prepare for January. I've always been excited for January because it is my birthday month, so happy birthday to me, almost. And of course, in my birthday month, I'm gonna use my favorite color, pink. So for 2021, every month, I'm going to choose one main colorful color and combine it with more muted color like black and gray. So for example, this month I'm choosing pink. So I'm going to combine pink with black and gray and see how it combines. And I'm still going to use my watercolor palette because I do have it and it's really cheap. You can find it anywhere. It's about $5 maybe. You can find it anywhere. You can use any brand you have. You don't have to buy a new one. And I think without a watercolor, you can even use anything you have to recreate what I do. So my main point is I'm going to make it more simple with less supply. Are you excited like I do? Let's get started, shall we? For today's beverage, I have some iced tea with me. Oh yeah, now I'm ready. Like I said in the beginning, for January, I chose pink as my main color, and I'm going to combine it with black and gray. For the first page, I'm writing my quote here, and because January is my birthday month, I think it's only appropriate if I include a birthday-related quote. And still keeping it simple, I'm making a face with flower on the left and a quote in the middle. For the right page, I'm making a cover page for January. And because I'm not in the mood of drawing anything too complicated, I'm using some watercolor to make some triangle by making a guideline first using a washi tape. And using a makeup sponge, dab in some gray watercolor to make random shape looking cloud. For filling some empty space, I'm using pink and gray washi tape. If some of your paint leaks or get it a little bit messy, you can use white gel pen to correct it. For the name of the month, I'm using a Tombow pink marker first and then outline it with a drawing pen and give some black shadows to make it more 3D. we're making a monthly spread. Here I'm drawing a calendar first, and then on the top of every box where I'm going to write my date, I'm covering it with more washi tapes. For the weekdays, I'm using pink, and for the weekend, I'm using gray. For decoration, I'm still using the same design as the previous page by painting more gray clouds, pink triangles, and more washi tape. For the part that I want to make the painting looks like behind the calendar, I need to line it with tape first and then paint the color in. By doing this, you don't need to worry if any paint leaks out. After that, you just peel the tape off and you're done. And on the upper left corner, I'm making a black box using a watercolor. And after it completely dries, filling it in with the name of the month with white gel pen. And because this is the first month of the year, I want to make sure that I'm making a great start on 2021. So I'm making a habit tracker. Yeah, the habit tracker is back. First, I'm writing habit on top. And for every habit, I'm making a small calendar and make it look like it was taped with washi. But because I want to make some washi bigger than other, so I'm drawing the washi part with Tombow. For January, I'm going to track 6 habits. It's wake up early, go to bed early, eat healthy, work out, class preparation, and YouTube work. Yes, I'm making a class prep habit tracker because I am a teacher if you don't know. And our semester starts in February, so I'm gonna quite busy in January for sure. And on the right page, guess what? I'm making a mood tracker. The thing that I rarely do, but since we're making a full-blown habit tracker already, I think why not make a mood tracker as well? So for this, I'm making a gray face but leaving the middle part taped so I can draw a pattern for every mood afterward. And inside of the face are some branches with empty leaves that I will fill the pattern as the month progresses. And I'm making a Dutch door out of this page, so after I fill the pattern for every mood below, I'm going to cut the rest of the right page. The main point of this Dutch door is so I can see the to-do list page while I'm filling my habit tracker and mood tracker. And for the part that can't be seen with the Dutch door closes, I'm making my weekly spread for January 1st to January 3rd. After that, I'm making the rest of my weekly spread like usual, using the Tombow Fudenosika heart tip for the text, and still using the same pink Tombow from the previous page for the drop shadow. Easy peasy. For the last part, of course, I'm gonna make my brain dump page. Still keeping the theme going by painting some random clouds, triangles, and more washi tapes. That's conclude my January bullet journal planning, and here's the final flip through. I hope you enjoy my bullet journal setup for January because I do really like how this turns out. That is it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!